Well, some of you already know what that is. If you're familiar with Louisiana. So if you're not familiar with Louisiana, if you're from up north or whatever, wherever the hell you were from, that's gumbo. Mm-hmm. Dominique, Erica, Shamika, and whoever watching this, join me a bowl of gumbo. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna show y'all the bowl one more time. That look good, huh, y'all? Mm-mm. Look at that bowl of gumbo stew. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. One more time. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. Yeah, buddy. Well, you know what? While I'm filming live right now on Facebook and eventually upload it to YouTube eventually, I wanna do a happy Valentine's shout out to some I already did wish a Valentine's to and somebody that I didn't wish a Valentine's Day to. Okay. Mm-hmm. I would like to say happy Valentine's Day to Erica, my friend. Gonna give her a Valentine card, and my friend Brittany Wilson. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, my buddy. Okay. Yeah, I gave her a Valentine card. Happy Valentine's Day to Shamika. Happy birthday and happy Valentine's Day to Kirsten Davis. And happy Valentine's Day to Heather Crawford, well now known as Heather Harris. Okay, she got married a few years ago. Congratulations, belated congrats to her wedding. Okay, to her marriage and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. So whoever she married to is a lucky man to have a sweet girl in his life like that. Beautiful too. All right. So happy Valentine's Day to Heather. Okay. And one more time, congratulations on your bundle of joy. Okay. Yes, indeed. God is good all the time. Okay. And also, I would like to do a happy Valentine's Day, a shout out to my friend Shamika and stuff like that. My wonderful friend. And Erica and Tanya, even though me and her ain't talking, we'll talk again one day. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day to my family, my friends. Happy Valentine's Day to Kirsten K, and Dominique Henry, aka Diamond, okay? Mm-hmm. Yep. So, something? I wish they would have been over here to sing a song, because I love these singing, I really do. They are awesome singers, and I guarantee they gonna make it, okay? Uh-huh. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed, My cousin Terry and my cousins Tiffany and my favorite friend Tiffany. Okay, and happy Valentine's Day to my ex cousin in law, my best friend Samara Jones. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, you and Malia. Okay, I know some of you remember Malia if y'all watch my videos on YouTube, and some of you already known Samara if y'all watch my past videos. Okay. Mm-hmm. I know y'all see that Super Mario Brothers 3 poster above me right here. It's backwards because y'all know why it's backwards. Okay. So I'm gonna put it forward so y'all can look at it the right way. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. And to Kirsten Davis, happy Valentine's Day and happy birthday to her too. Born on a beautiful day, a loving day, And shout out to Nyla with her crazy self. Okay. All right. So I'm about to put it forward so y'all can see. There it is, Super Mario Brothers 3. Okay. There you go, Super Mario Brothers 3, Mario 3. Okay. Y'all add it forward. All right. So that's it for right now, folks. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live. Okay. God bless.